As week 5 rolled around, we found ourselves kicking off the second half of the season. The first half had already given us some incredible hunts, some awesome memories, and just couldn't have lined up any better if we'd asked for it. This time of year, the birds are getting a little bit smarter, competition for fields is getting a little bit tougher. Every hunt feels like it matters just a little bit more, but that's what makes the second half so exciting. The highs can be even higher.
Kicking off the second half today, September 30th. A little chilly this morning. Wind's been blowing, sprinkled all night last night. Got a bunch of lessers in the field, a handful of ducks. We'll see what kind of comes of it, but it should be an exciting one. We got new guys in from Texas. They were here last year. Seems like a fun group. 6 shooters this morning, 7 this afternoon. So pretty fired up, ready to get the second half rolling. Kill those 2. Kill him. Oh, nice shot, Bodie. Kill him! There you go. Kill him!
We got these guys in from Texas, and we found out pretty quick that they came here to shoot. and winds howling. Some of these groups didn't want to center up the best. We're laying in the whites, and as you can see, we busted a limit of ducks, a limit of geese, and kind of gave us a question mark on what we were going to do in the afternoon. But we had found a big snow feed, and that one is coming to you next.
So after Drew took the guys out and had a really good morning, they were a few short on geese, not very many though. We're sitting at the lodge and the wind kept blowing and blowing, and thought we had a pretty good snow goose shoot lined up. So we kind of called an audible and left for the field early. Got there, set up, clients rushed to the field, and we had a pretty good feeling that it was going to be a good one because with big winds, the geese don't like to sit on the water very long. And before the clients got there, we had geese landing all over in the decoys. But still, when they got there, it turned out to be a great hunt. You guys got target for him? Yeah. Go ahead and shoot!
That was sick. We just killed like 12 right there.
Oh, one shot. Oh, that was awesome.
Just a man.
On the shoot it, right here. Project. Finger logged up. Get it on there. Yeah.
Do one of those.
In the pile.
Back.
Yeah. Kennel. Good shot. Kennel.
I thought it was on this side.
Here.
We started off October with a bang. Took these guys out in the morning and shot their limit of dark geese, no problem. Quite a few ducks and got quite a few snow geese also. So we figured that evening that we would go finish off ducks and went to a water hole that we've hunted in the past and was no problem getting the rest of their duck limit for the day.
Shoot them. Back.
We didn't know how many birds this group had actually even killed at that time, but they were talking to us about how great it had already been, and they might have been shooting for an all-time high for 3 days of hunting. So we just tried to put another good one together for day 3.
All right, yeah, we got ourselves, we're sitting in a barley field today. Got a decent little hide off a little tree row in the middle of the field, and we've been seeing them in here for about 2 days now, and more ducks have started to show up over the last 2 days, so I think it should be good. Got a decent northwest wind at about 12 mile an hour, so that should help us out, but let's get it.
I got that one.
October 2nd, just wrapped up with the Texas group. Awesome group of clients, had a lot of fun with them. They can flat out shoot. Some of the best shooting that we've had by far. Some really good hunts this week. You guys are gonna see some really good footage. One really good snow goose hunt, and ducks like crazy, and the specs decided to play this morning. So west-northwest wind. Jake found this field a couple days ago, and it lined up perfect. We shot the ducks really well, and had the specs in here, shot a group of snows, didn't even see them coming. So I hope you guys enjoy it. We're rocking and rolling. We're on the second half now. Got a new group coming in this afternoon, and we'll be back on them tomorrow. What a way to start off the second half. These guys came in and shot over 400 birds in 3 days. And while I will say at the time we thought that might not be a mark that gets beat all year, you might have to tune in to next week to see what happens. We're keeping the ball rolling. Everything is going as good or better than we could ever ask it to. Like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram. It's BlackJack Outfitters.